Hello, good morning. My son, Liming 12 is sleeping. This is our family branch at Home Block for the World of Singapore. July 16, 2026. And there's a Habilis Boy, the retired man. My son, Liming 12 is sleeping. We are having pancake with luncheon meat and scrambled eggs. Enjoy folks at Home Block for the World of Singapore. Just put our pancake with the honey. Pancake syrup, so I use honey. Enjoy folks at Home Block for the World of Singapore. Yeah, because I got honey. So I put honey. This is Boy, the retired man. Enjoy folks at Home Block for the World of Singapore. Enjoy folks, our family branch. July 16, 2026. Enjoy Singapore.